Welcome to a very brief introduction of the upgraded IMAPP interface for new users. The core aspects of the IMAPP interface include detailed property reports, a flexible search interface, and a full-page interactive map. The most used aspects of the product remain similar, but with some notable interface changes around the perimeter and on the map. Let's go through some of the new changes now. The main feature toolbar is on the left. To start the search interface, click on New Search. This will bring up the updated search interface, which should be familiar to existing IMAPP users, with a map selection section at the bottom. You can still create your customized search, but there is now expanded ability to save and recall saved and suggested searches. The save searches show on the lower left. We have pre-populated a series of suggested searches to help new users get started and see how these searches can work. You can see them in the list. Users can click the Edit button to load those criteria into the interface to review or customize further. If no review is necessary, they can just push the play button instead and be brought directly to the results of that search. Back to the search interface to show one more thing. When you see a gray question mark, that indicates the presence of a tooltip help article for that item. These exist throughout the IMAPP interface, including on these suggested searches. The tooltip pops up with an explanation of how this suggested search works. Let's go back to the main feature toolbar. The full screen map browse feature is accessible from the Map Browse button. This allows users to quickly and seamlessly explore the whole state, with infinite zoom, 3D mapping, and including new customizable data layers. It is also location responsive from the Find Me button, and touch and mobile enabled, so you can pinch and zoom or touch and drag to move around. This map interface is feature-packed and data-rich, so take some time to explore more fully later. Back to the main feature toolbar, let's look into bookmarks and history. Users can add bookmarks to any property report. When they do, bookmarks are accessible from this menu. Just click on a property to see that report. The history button works similarly, but it tracks all reports and searches you've done in the past 30 days. This is a real time saver to find the properties and prospects you need to come back to. This history is accessible on any device you use IMAPP from. We also have an updated help interface accessible here. We have an extensive set of help documents and detailed user guides. This button pops up our on-screen help, which suggests likely content based on the page you are on. Tap an article to open it, and if you want to see a full screen view, tap on the title again. You can search for specific topic as well. Type in some terms here and tap the search button and check out the suggested articles. Our full help library is also available at imap.helpscoutdocs.com. Especially useful are the detailed user guides for all features. You can enter a support ticket from the Ask button if you notice issues or need further help. Just explain the problem, type in your contact info and detailed message, and send the message. This is the best way to contact us. We can track what page you are on and searches you have done when helping you and making corrections. There is a quick search box at the top which allows users to quickly find a property by address anywhere in the state. Begin typing and suggested results pop up. Click one to go to that report. You can also search by MLS number here. One more new item at the top is the Settings button. This pops up a setting dialog that allows you to customize many settings for your account. I'll note here that for new users there is an on-screen onboarding assistant that will walk you through these and other features on each page after you log in for the first time. I'll click to reset this process from these settings to show you how users can use this. Reload the page, and the assistant walks you through major interface features on each new page. Go through all these onboarding steps to ensure familiarity with the IMAPP interface. This is a good place to let you explore IMAPP on your own. We hope you find the new system informative and valuable.